Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. So today's video is about understanding Python memory management simply. So Python automatically manages memory using stack, which stores function, call and local variables, heap which stores object like list, dictionary, classes, etc., garbage collection frees unused memory, and reference counting tracks how many variables refer to an object. So in Python, you normally don't manage memory manually. Python does it for you. So let's understand this with some examples. So the first one is object memory creation. So in this example, this will create an object memory for creation and will print the ID for both the objects. So here this will give the output as the same memory address, and small integers are cached in Python for efficiency. So let's see its output. So here we can see that they both have the same memory address. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is reference counting. So for this, firstly we'll import the system module and then we'll define a list with three numbers, and then we'll print it. So this shows how many references exist for the object or not. So let's see its output. So here we can see that two object reference exist for this object. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is multiple reference for same object. So here both variables point to the same memory, so this will direct us to multiple reference to same object. So let's see its output. So here we can see the output is true. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is object deletion. So here when reference go to 0, Python freezes the memory. So this is denoted as object deletion. So let's see its output. So here we can see the output. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is garbage collection. So for this we'll import the library gc, and then we'll see that the garbage collection is active or not. So this will tell us that the garbage collection is active or not. Let's see its output. So as it returned true means the garbage collection has been active. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is a circular reference. So this will create a circular reference and gc needed to clean this. Let's see its output. So here we can see its output. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is manually trigger the garbage collection. So here this will manually trigger the garbage collection. So let's see its output. So here we can see this triggered. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is mutable versus immutable object. So here integers are mutable, modifying creates a new object. Let's see its output. How does it works? So here we can see the output. So Python memory management is automatic, uses reference counting plus garbage collection, cleans unused object and handles circular reference. So if you like this video, do like, share, subscribe for more Python tutorials, and thanks for watching today's video.